In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Stripe to Airbit. Whether you're a music producer looking to streamline your sales or just someone interested in making the most of these powerful platforms, we'll go through the steps in a way that's clear and easy to follow. Let's get started. First, open up your web browser and navigate to the Airbit website. If you're not already logged in, go ahead and do so by entering your credentials in the respective fields. Take a moment here to ensure that all your information is up to date, as this will help in making a smooth connection between Airbit and Stripe. Once you're signed in, you'll find yourself on the dashboard. Locate your profile icon, typically found in the top right corner of the screen. Click on it, and you'll see a drop-down menu. From this menu, select Account Settings. This section is where you manage your personal and seller settings, so it's important to become familiar with its layout for future use. Now, within the account settings, look for the Seller Preferences tab. This is crucial as it houses all the options related to how you manage sales, payment methods, and other seller features. By clicking on Seller Preferences, you're one step closer to linking your Stripe account. You should now see an option labeled Link Stripe. Click on that, and you'll be prompted to log into your Stripe account. This process is straightforward. Simply enter your Stripe credentials. If you already have a Stripe account, the system will guide you through the login procedure effortlessly. However, if you're new to Stripe, you might need to first create an account with them. Stripe will likely ask you to confirm your details, such as your business information, to ensure the legitimacy and security of linking the accounts. Once you've completed the login process for Stripe, the system will confirm the connection between Stripe and Airbit. This integration means that payments made through Airbit will now be processed via your Stripe account, which can offer a range of benefits like efficient payment processing and enhanced security features that both you and your customers will appreciate. And there you have it. Your Stripe and Airbit accounts are now linked. This seamless integration will allow you to focus more on creating and selling your music without worrying about the technicalities of payment processing. Remember, if you ever encounter any issues or have questions, both Stripe and Airbit offer comprehensive support and resources to assist you. Thanks for watching and happy selling on Airbit.